Hello again. My name is Daryl, and I have been putting together these videos that encompass all of the things that one can get at one single trip to the bin, and then I like to put them all together and show you what they all end up looking like, all mixed and matched. This is part 2 of a giant haul. It was $100, and I'm just still looking through the clothes and going, oh my goodness. And plus it was nearly 2 weeks ago, and so I don't even remember some of it. It's like, oh, jeepers creepers. So let's just get started, okay? These are an awesome fit Lululemon leggings. And I'll see if I can find a spot here to show you what they look like. See? They're kind of a navy blue, a dusty navy blue color. And I'm wearing them with this cropped Oak and Fort twisted front t-shirt, and it has the elasticized back that's a little bit higher. Super cute. I got so much stuff, I honestly just don't even know where to start at putting it together. So I'm just gonna go, and we'll end up where we may. So my mom has moved into a semi-retired community, and when they moved out of their house, she just got rid of a whole bunch of clothes, and so what she's liking right now are J. Jill pieces. So I've been trying to pick up pieces of that ilk. So this is J. Jill, and it's got kind of a trapeze cut to it, and I kind of like it. You know, I'm not quite done with the denim trend, and so I think it's pretty cool looking. Maybe I'll keep it. But anyway, I have 2 others that I definitely will send to her, so let's have a look at those. So this is a linen tunic top from Garnet Hill, and it's called the Easy Linen Tunic. Imagine that. And let me show you. See, it says longer length. Goes great with these blue leggings, huh? And then I've paired them up with these Havaiana sandals, which they have a crazy comp on them. The only thing I could find was that an Etsy seller that is making these as bridal thongs, and they run $100, but I don't see why you couldn't just get some glue and some sparkly stuff at the Michael's store and make your own. But anyway, these are Havaianas, and I always love a flip-flop, and I like them if they're glitzy and sparkly. They're just kind of like a dressy flip-flop. What more is there? And the top, super cute. We'll see how many of these clothing changes I can do without ripping the earrings out of my ears. So this is the second one of the Garnet Hill Easy Tunic. And I don't know if I mentioned that they run $98 a piece. So what my mom actually, or what I'm looking for actually for my mom, is she saw a J. Jill pink linen shirt, and I have yet to find the pink linen one other than the one that's $120 in the catalog. But I did find this. So let's have a look at it. This is from J. Crew, and it's brand new. Okay, so here's the J. Crew top. It's an oversized gauze top, and it had, it's called a button-down gauze pink soft, and it ran $89.50, and I think it's still available online. Anyway, I love this soft, easy, oversized fit, and I've paired it up with this pair of Moto high-rise shorts. see what else I can put on with these. Anyway. Incidentally, it's a beautiful day here in Seattle today. I can actually envision wearing some shorts finally. The sun's shining and it's warm. So I could go out like this pretty easily. Okay, well, I never tried these two on together, but I'm kind of happy with the way they turned out. The top is from Stargazing from Urban Outfitters. And I think I only got comps on that as far as what it actually was. Anyway, it wasn't a really pricey thing, and I'm not going to spend too much time looking for it. But it goes nicely with these shorts. The shorts are from a brand called Frock, and that's F-R-O-C-K-K, and they're an Australian brand, and they had a retail of, I believe, $115, and I just think they're super cute. They're a linen or a linen blend, and could probably pair a lot of things up with them. Okay, two good things here. This is a viscose or a rayon flutter sleeve top from a brand called Emerson Rose, and from what I can see, they're out of Texas. And anyway, it needs to be ironed, but I love it, and of course it's got flutter sleeves. And I've paired it with this great pair of Aritzia high-rise denim. They're from Denim Forum. They're the Joni high-rise loose, and I love everything about them. They're just crazy good. I could do this. Unfortunately, I can only find one of these shoes. See? So what these shoes are Nike Air, and you can buy them in different colors online now. So let's see here. I think the other one's in the bottom of the pile somewhere. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll have to come back as to what the comp is on that, on those shoes. Got a couple of really awesome pairs of shoes. And I guess I'll do them all at once because I'm not finding them here. Okay, well, I'm running out of things to pair up with stuff. I seem to have more pants than I do shirts. So this top is from We The Free, and it's the snap cuff top here. And it's all over the name brand of it is the Sienna, and you'll find it all over online. And I've paired it up with these super cute H&M shorts. They weren't expensive, but I just love the fit and the cut of them. I think that with a crop top and a blazer, they might be kind of awesome looking. And I'm going to show them to you right now with this navy blue Vince crew neck sweater that, you know, if the weather turns cold, you got to be prepared. At least around here you do. So how's that? I think I have a picture of me somewhere from the 80s that had on an outfit like this. Anyway, this is navy blue Vince sweater, and it had a retail of something. That's the problem with so many items on the list. Again, I'll get back to you on it. I know I have a retail for it. And you know, with all Vince things, it wasn't an inexpensive piece, and it's perfect, absolutely perfect shape. It's a wool blend. So this is a cashmere piece from Halogen, and it has dolman sleeves and kind of a longer length. You can see I've got it kind of bloused up here. And it had comps of about $100. You can see the sleeve here. And I've paired them up with these Lululemon, and I think they are the Groove pant or similar. See, they have they're reversible. And they have a reasonably high-rise waist, which is kind of good. And they have a straight leg, and these are really quite long. So you can see here how long they are. And so really a nice fit. I'm not sure what size they are, but they're my size. Here we are in my usual favorite bins look. I think I wear this outfit in every video that I ever do. But of course with different leggings and a different top. This top is a slub tee from Banana Republic, and it's just a classic. They don't cost very much. And again, these are the Lululemon pants. And I'm going to show you this with a couple of sweaters. And then I think I'm going to close up shop for this video, and so I can make a third one and not keep you here for far too long. This is from J. Crew, and it's a slightly oversized, boxy cashmere, as you can see, and in excellent shape, no flaws, issues. It's in this lovely kind of heathered gray color. So I just really scored on the cashmere this trip. Let me get you caught up on some of these comps and then some of these other pieces that I'm not planning on trying on. These are the Nike shoes that I referred to, and these are from Cole Haan and Nike Air, their collaboration. And they're kitten heel pumps named the Juliana. And as I mentioned, they come in different finishes and different colors. And these are in great shape, excellent shape. And I can always use a comfortable pair of pointy-toed flats any day of the week. So these run $168 when they're new. This is a wool or a viscose spandex blend skirt, straight pencil skirt from Eileen Fisher. Has a faux wrap with a and it's kind of in a blue-gray color. And these ran, I believe, about $168 to $200. More Eileen Fisher, and I can't get you a comp on these because these are old. They're the vintage label, as you can see. And they are silk and maybe a silk cotton blend. And they sit at the waist with pockets here and some elastic at the back. And just this classic straight leg. And they just look really fresh and awesome right now. So I originally paired them with the Urban Outfitters lace top, and it was just a nice look. Dry fit Nikes for my husband. Banana Republic long sleeve white linen shirt. These run about $80. Flawless. I don't think it's been worn. This is from Charlotte Russe. Just fashion, cheap. But it's green, and I like this flouncy skirt. I just think it's a good summertime kind of thing. So I'll get back to you with some more pieces here, and I ought to have this up down into 3 pretty good size segments. So hang tight, subscribe. You don't want to miss a single video. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks so much. See you on the next one.